Hey guys, I'm Voylin, and today in today's Cooking with Voylin, we'll be making my special Choco Banana Pancake Ice Cream. And for the people who don't know me yet, I'm terrible with making up names. What we will need for today is a banana, pancakes, out of focus, chocolata, just chocolate. And the ice cream is still in the fridge because else my dog will eat everything. So let's start by putting on the plates and warming up the pancakes. I'm always doing 3 pancakes because 3 is better than 2. To know if the pan is hot or not, place your hand on it. Don't do that. And like every good chef knows, you have to flip your pancake to improve the taste. Ta-da! And now our pancake layer is done, so let's get the ice cream. So I'm always choosing vanilla ice cream for this recipe. And you see what I was talking about? The dog is already waiting for ice cream. Bad dog. I never put too much ice cream on it, only like 2 bowls, like this counts as 1. And the reason why I take 3 pancakes is because the first layer will get cold because of the ice cream, but the second layer will stay nice and warm. So now we have to be fast before it gets cold. So let's get our banana. I'm not doing it very safely. I always cut my banana like this. The peel is big enough so you won't cut yourself. And hoppity. All the banana. And then the chocolate sauce, and then you have to start eating quite quickly because it's not open yet. You have to start eating quite quickly because else the pancakes will get cold and that ruins part of the special part about the special chocolate pancake banana ice cream. And up. Let's eat. Whoops, it's sliding. For the people who want to try to create this at home, I don't have any recipes, but I will eat now because it will get cold. Try to make it yourself, let me know how it tastes, and I'll see you later. Have delicious snack times, meals. I consider this as a meal. Bye bye.